Hi guys! So, I'm playing Nido Tower Part 2. I already done Part 1, but I did not film it. But first we have to open this. Hi players, and yeah. Let's do Part 2. If you want to add me, my name is Catherine. All capitals. And let's start. I've done. Now let's do World 3. Yes, I've done all of them. But I don't know where. I forgot where I stopped. Oh, here. I stopped in here. Let's do this. I'm gonna turn on my shift lock. It's so laggy. Wait, listen to this first. Should I do my ASMR voice? I died. I get only white dumpling, but in real life, I got glitter dumpling. Okay guys, I died. But forget about it. Okay, teleport back. I hate this. I only got white dumpling, which is bad because I wanted glitter dumpling. But good thing in real life I got glitter dumpling. Like, do you want to see? Why is this so hard? Again. Oh, there's people inside. Ooh. Just listen to this ASMR. So we have this needles gumdrop, I guess. So we have this needle gumdrop, I guess. My jump. Bro, what's this? Okay. Ooh, there's dumpling. I got this exact dumpling, but glitter. Should I put it and wax my dumpling? Bro, this is hard. Bro, I keep falling. I need to beat this, bro. Bro, I'm actually so mad right now. Why is there no ads that pops on my screen? Bro, I thought I hided players. Why is there still players? Bro, what happened? I hate this. Why is it so hard? I think it's just a skill issue. Sorry, my bad. Oh, wait, girl. Wait. Okay. I just want to teleport back to my. I just want to teleport back to my checkpoint, but it's not popping up. Like, bro. Okay, okay. Let's do it without checkpoint. That's the challenge. This is needles. I really wanted a needle, but I only got dumplings. This is cute, bears. I don't know what brand this is from. Body squishy. Bro, I keep falling! Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Cause I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. Like literally. Bro, I'm not even a ship lock. Yeah. Bye.